Hello everyone, it's Frank again with another ATV video. Now this is a special ATV video. This is the first video where we will be working on the 700 Arctic Cat. Well, technically it's a Tracker 700, but Tracker is just a rebranded Arctic Cat sold through Bass Pro, which is funny because Arctic Cat technically doesn't exist anymore. It's now Textron, unless they're selling it at Bass Pro, in which case it's a Tracker. But I'm going to keep calling it Arctic Cat just because Tracker reminds me of John Boats. If you saw my last mudding ATV video, it was pretty much 2 weeks ago I think, you'll notice this Arctic Cat was having a ton of issues. It also ended up taking in water multiple times because of those issues. So today we'll be cleaning out some muddy oil and replacing it with new clean oil and oil filter. It's a pretty simple process. You drain out the bad oil, fill it up with either diesel or oil. Then if you used oil, you turn it back on, let it idle for a little while. Then you drain out the oil again, see how clean it comes out. And you just keep repeating this process until the oil comes out clean. Once it comes out clean, you fill it back up again, put the new filter in, and you're good to go. I've never done it with diesel, but I've heard mixed things about running it or not with the diesel instead of oil. So if you're going to go do it that way, you probably should look up some solid instructions for that. As for me, I'm just going to use oil because that's what I had at hand. I think that's enough talking for me. Enjoy the rest of the video. and that's all there is to it. The oil I use is Shell Rotella T6, which is fully synthetic. The filter is high flow. I'll put some links to that in the description. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. And thanks for watching.